Greetings everyone, this is Shreyans Daga here. Thank you for your time. I want to take a moment and personally welcome you to this Anapanasati meditation. Take a comfortable position, sit up straight, clasp your hands, cross your legs, eyes closed. This form of meditation was originally taught by Gautam Buddha. Ana means in breath, Pana means out breath, and Sati means to be with. So Anapanasati means to be with your in breath and out breath. Buddha discovered that when you are with your in breath and out breath, you cannot be with your thoughts. So you can't be with your inhalation and exhalation and with your thoughts at the same time.